Hi everyone, my name is Imotalai. Welcome to today's English lesson on travel experiences. By the end of this session, you will be able to describe your past travel experiences using the past simple tense correctly. This will improve your speaking, your listening, and as well your grammar skills. And I hope you will enjoy it. So, first thing, let's activate our power knowledge. Close your eyes and think, where did you go on your last trip? Just take a moment to remember where you were on your last trip or where you went for your last trip. So, mine, I went to Abuja and it was so exciting. I had a lot of fun. So, now think about your own answer. When you have it, you can talk to me, or tell your partner and let them have knowledge about where you're going to or your past travel experience. Excellent. So, one of the tools we will use is Duolingo. Duolingo is a very, very is a very, very interesting app. If you spend 10 minutes practicing listening and speaking exercises on Duolingo, the app gives you immediate feedback on pronunciation. Is that not a great way? Of course it is. So it is also a great way to build your confidence before we move to speaking activities in this lesson. So while you practice, I'll just wait and I can help with any questions if at all you have any. So once you're done with that, now let's focus on what we are here for, the grammar on past simple tenses. So today we'll be taking just two parts for the regular verbs and irregular verbs. So under the regular verbs, we'll be taking just three words: visit, travel, and stay. So for visit, the past simple tense will be visited. For travel, the past simple tense will be traveled. For stay, the past simple tense will be stayed. And if at all you notice, you realize that after every single word, an addition of ed is being made. For example, visit, behind every word, ed was added. So that is how you had ed for regular verbs for the past simple tense. But for irregular verbs, it is quite different. For example, go will be went because it is no longer present, it is now past because we are dealing with past simple tenses. So for the irregular verbs, we'll be taking just four words. The first one is go, the second one is see, the third one is eat, the fourth one is have. So for the first word, go, it will now be went for irregular verbs, which is past, because past of go is went. Because don't forget, we are talking about travel experiences, which is an experience you've had. So the second word is see. The past simple tense for it is saw. The Third one is eat. The past simple tense for eat is ate. And the last one is have. The past simple tense for have is had. I hope you get what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So, for example, let's make a sentence out of this. Last month, I visited my family in another state. The word visited, the word visit is a regular verb, but when it becomes visited, that means it is past simple, is a past simple tense. It is no longer last month I visit my family in another state. It doesn't really make any sense. So instead, it will be last month I visited my family in another state. Another example we'll be looking at is we went to the beach and saw beautiful waves. We went to the beach and saw beautiful waves. Went is an irregular verb. Saw is an irregular verb because went is from go, while saw is from see. When you see something, when you go somewhere, those are irregular verbs. But when you bring it into a past simple tense sentence, it becomes go becomes went, see becomes saw. That is how we get to have we went to the beach and saw beautiful waves. So the last example is I ate delicious food and had a great time. I ate. It is no longer I eat because eat is the present tense, but it is now I ate. It is what you've done before. So remember to use time expressions like last year, yesterday, 2 weeks ago, because all these means you're talking about something that is already behind, like something that you've done or something that has gone. So here's a quick practice. Change the this to past simple. I visit Lagos. We eat jollof rice. See that it doesn't really. So you need to change this for me. So good. I visit Lagos becomes I visited Lagos. We eat jollof rice becomes we ate jollof rice because you are changing them from present simple tense to past simple tenses. Now, I answer these questions I'll be asking you. The first one is where did you go on your last trip? Another one is what did you see there? The third one is what did you eat there? And the last one is did you enjoy it? I can hear you using the past simple tense very well. Keep practicing and help your partner or your siblings with the pronunciation. So, well done, class. Today we used Duolingo for practice and learned how to talk about past travel experiences using the past simple tense. So, for homework, guys, write a short paragraph about a place you visited and practice on Duolingo. Thank you so much. See you next class. Have a wonderful day. Bye.